Assalamualaikum, the learners of class 8. My dear learners, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah and hope you are staying home for your safety. I am your English teacher, Sunmuni Amin from Shafipur Girls Dakhil Madrasa. Dear students, in this present situation, that means COVID-19 situation, I realized that hygiene is most important things of our daily life. So I will discuss you about the passage of hygiene. Do you know what is the hygiene? Yes, I teach you in these topics. After completing the lessons, students should be able to keep hygienic life, and they can know how to protect the germs. They can protect from germs. They can save themselves, and they can struggle the germs to lead a happy life or healthy life for their safety. So let's start the class. Dear students, open your book English for Today Dakhil class 8 in page number 21. Lessons 3, hygiene. This topic is hygiene. I'll teach these topics. That the word hygiene means the practice of keeping ourselves clean. It also means to keep our home and workplace clean. It is important for our good health. Hygiene is thought to be next to godliness. It is because we cannot achieve anything physically, mentally and spiritually if we are unclean in our body, mind and soul. Nobody likes an unclean person either. So we must follow the rules of hygiene. First, we must keep our body clean. We should have a bath every day and wash our nails regularly. This will keep the body and hair free from dirt and bacteria. Secondly, we should wash our clothes regularly. Dirty clothes give off bad smell and invite germs. We should wear socks and shoes when we go out to protect our feet from dust and germs. It is also important to wash our hands before meals and after using the toilet. We should brush our teeth twice a day after breakfast and supper. We must also cut our nails regularly. Our drinking water must be safe. We can get safe water by boiling and filtering. Finally, we should keep our surroundings and environment clean. If we do and follow all the above things properly, we will be able to lead a healthy and happy life. Dear students, I hope you understand these topics properly. Hygiene is most important for our daily life. If we do and follow all the above things properly, we should be able to lead a happy and healthy life. So everybody follow the hygienic life. Dear students, now we will practice some MCQ. Please look at the board. Number A, hygiene refers. There are 4 options in a MCQ with a question. Again, hygiene refers. 4 options are: number 1, happiness; number 2, cleanness; number 3, smartness; Number 4, achievement. Which is the most correct answer? Dear learner, which is the most correct answer? Yes, cleanliness is the most correct answer. Dear students, number B, dirty clothes has bad smell. Again, dirty clothes has bad smell. Number 1, attract. Number 2, absorb. Number 3, remove. Number 4, produce. Which is the most correct answer? Yes, produce is the most correct answer. So we will say dirty clothes produce bad smell. Number C, dirty body and dirty clothes has germs. Number A, eat up. Number 2, remove. Number 3, attract. Number 4, kill. Which is the most correct answer? Please tell me, which is the most correct answer? Yes, the most correct answer is attract. Number D, we must dash by the rules of hygiene. Which is the correct answer? There are 4 options, such as disobey, follow, leave, don't follow. Dear learner, which is the correct answer? Yes, follow is the correct answer. We must follow by the rules of hygiene. Number E, our drinking water must be dash. Again, our drinking water must be dash. Number 1, refresh. Number 2, polluted. Number 3, untreated. And number 4, uncontaminated. Uncontaminated. Which is the best answer? Which is the best answer? Yes, refresh is the best answer. Number 8, cutting our nails regularly is a dash. Again, cutting our nails regularly is a number 1, bad habit. Number 2, fashion. Number 3, style. And number 4, must. Which is the correct answer? Yes, correct answer is must. That means cutting our nails regularly is a must. Dear my sweetie learners, we will discuss some questions in this passage. Now look at the board. These questions, there are 5 questions in this board. Number A, what is important for good health? Dear learner, what is important for good health? Can you know to tell this question? To tell this answer of this question? Yes, hygiene is important for good health. Hygiene is important for our good health. Number B, how many times should we brush our teeth a day? What is the answer? Yes, we should brush our teeth twice in a day. We should brush our teeth twice in a day. After meals, we should brush our teeth in a day. Number C, what kind of water should we drink? Again, this question is, what kind of water should we drink? Dear students, we should drink safe water. The safe water is filtering or boiling water. Number D, why should we wear socks and shoes? Again, Why should we wear socks and shoes? Which is the answer? This answer is we wear socks and shoes to protect our feet from dust and germs. Because germs produce diseases. Number E. What do the dirty clothes produce? What do the dirty clothes produce? Can you tell me this answer of the question? Yes, the dirty clothes produce germs. The dirty clothes produce germs, which causes diseases. Which cause diseases? Dear city learners, I have furnished a homework for you. Please look at the board. Write a paragraph about removing the COVID-19 virus by following the hygiene. Again, write a paragraph about removing the COVID-19 virus by following the hygiene. My sweet dear learners, hope you do this homework in your home, and finally I'll say you that stay home and save yourself, and do this homework when our madrasa will open. You give me this homework. Thank you very much, and this is the end of my class. Allah Hafiz.